I'm going to be showing you here the Cosy Evening Transfer. I'm working on this drum table today. It's octagonal in shape, so there is 8 sides to work with. I've cut myself some slices already that will fit onto those panels on each side. Each slice is exactly half of the printed grid that's on the top sheet. I've also pre-cut some selection of pieces to fit on the top. I'm adding a piece of transfer to each panel on the sides. These small pieces are great for beginners to practice on. Once you've added your transfer, you need to burnish well. Burnishing means to make sure that all the adhesive layer has made good contact and you have no edges lifting up. I've moved on to the top now. We're just making sure that we've got the placement exactly how we want it. Remove the bottom sheet, make sure your placement is lined up correctly and press down firmly. The top of this drum table has a leather insert, so I'm paying particular attention to any of the embossed details. I reposition each piece every time I add a new piece, just to make sure that everything's lining up where I want it to be. A little bit more burnishing. Adding the flowers is really starting to bring the design together. Now it really looks beautiful there, but I think we're going to add the cosy part as well. Just a final touch with the burnishing pad and we're all done. Lovely.